I created Vegan Boss Lady Lifestyle because I was sick and tired of women being lied to by the weight loss industry. Have you ever heard that carbs are bad for you? That fat makes you fat? That lifting weights makes women bulky? That you have to basically starve yourself in order to lose weight? And that you never can eat the foods you love again? Yeah, those are the lies everyone told me back when I was 55 pounds overweight, addicted to food, and tired of the way I felt and looked. I had tried and failed so many times that I thought I was just going to have to accept that my weight and health were going to hold me back from living the life that I wanted. But here I am, 13 years later. I found the way, I learned the truth. It wasn't easy, but anybody who tells you it is doesn't know what it's really like. You can feel beautiful again. You will be comfortable in your own skin. You can learn how to be consistent with everything, and you will break the cycle, get out of pain, and finally overcome your problem. In fact, I know that soon you'll be looking in the mirror, holding your head high, and feeling proud of what you've done. Your man will even look at you and won't be able to look away. Vegan Boss Lady Lifestyle is the first global raw vegan weight loss system and support community for women. Our mission is to help women lose weight while loving themselves again. Vegan Boss Lady is for any woman who is tired of the fads and wants something real. After losing 180 pounds myself over the course of 8 pregnancies, I know what you're going through and I know how to help you overcome it. My goal has always been to give away better stuff for free than what other people charge for. So the first thing you should do is pick any of the free programs I have listed below and start there. Remember, there are no prerequisites to becoming a vegan boss lady. All you have to do is make a decision that you want to change. That's it. Just decide. And I'll show you the way. It's time to step into your new identity.